And people forget no, na ikaw yung nakipag-break eh. Ikaw yung unang naapektuhan eh.
Actually, that's false. That's false. Hindi ako yung nakipag-break.
So, what I mean is, ikaw yung nawalan ng relasyon.
Oo.
Since you mentioned that, let's ask that. So, hindi ikaw ang nakipag-break?
Oo, pero wag na natin pag-usapan yun. Let's leave it in the past and it's amicable, okay naman kami. I think it would be disrespectful to the relationship and to the other person to talk about it. It's a very sensitive topic and gusto kong bigyan ng respeto at gusto kong iwan sa magandang paraan what we had.
I respect that.